Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the calm before the storm. You have done everything that you need to do. You have reached all the standards that you have set before yourself. You met your goals, you made a timeline, you met your deadlines. Now put the ball back into Spirit's court. Let them do their job, their work, to catch up to the work that you have. So don't worry about being frustrated and wondering, when my breakthrough's coming? Be calm, go with the flow, be like a lazy river, be like a calm ocean, because you're in the right place in the right time. And as a storm of blessings are coming your way, there's no reason to panic or be anxious or have a feeling of anxiety waiting for if you've done enough, because you've done enough. Trust yourself. I breathe and live and grow the light that's within me. I do one thing at a time and focus on the present moment by being at peace. And I cast off negative doubts, and all fear dissipates, and I find peace within my being, because when you've done the job, when you've done the work, give yourself credit, because Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Spirit is actually going to do their job to make sure that you are blessed for your efforts. And that's going to be breakthrough, because I need you, the world needs you, and you've been doing extremely great work. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.